It's Sunday morning, and I am in a covered kind of feeling. What about you? Guys, it's Sunday morning. I just done walk the trail along the creek. I'm tired. I go home now. I go straight into the kitchen, people. At time to cook up something. It's Sunday morning, and you know already. I'm your girl, Norleen. And today, I'm gonna do another of Jamaica's finest cuisine. Guys, check out my video. Give it a thumbs up or leave a very constructive criticism. Let me know what your thoughts are on this video. Please push the post notification bell so you will be notified as soon as I upload another video. Share your love by subscribing to my channel, guys. Thank you, guys. Please remember to share with your friends. Let them know say food we are cook. Come get your share before it done. Love you all. Peace. Time for going out of the kitchen. Alright, so this is then 2 tablespoons of oil with a tablespoon of curry powder and 4 pegs of garlic. We're going to stir it in. We're going to brown up the curry, people. Then we're going to add to that 2 pounds, approximately 2 pounds of chicken. And watch this. Alright guys, so the curry going on, it start doing its thing. I've lowered the flame to medium and I'm gonna slip the cover on just to allow the flavor of the curry to seep into the chicken. So I'm just lowering the flame, putting the lid on and allow it just for the flavor and the seasons to seep into the flesh of the chicken. So after about 5 minutes, you notice that liquid coming up in the curry. I did not put any water in it. I left it there so that the browned curry can add a flavor to that. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of finely chopped ginger. Now, it's food fun fact. Ginger not only had flavor to your pot, but it also aids in digestion, so I'll add that. You can do your own research. There are many other benefits to ginger, but for us in the Caribbean we use a lot of ginger and it enhances the flavor. So after 5 minutes, that is what it looks like. So I'm going to turn back my heat up, not quite on high. And I'm going to add to that a cup of water. I'm going to leave it there now for the chicken to cook. Alright, so that we have after 15 minutes. Of course, we still the chicken nice and cooked. So we're going to add our vegetables to it. So see there, you know the usual vegetable already. Caribbean people, Jamaican style, I see them vegetable and we're going to add all the time. Tomatoes, onions, bell pepper, scallion, see there. We're gonna add the diced potatoes, carrots, slice them. We'll make a tomato bit slices big too, because we want everything cooked down, but then we don't want it mashed out. You understand? So we're gonna add to that another cup of water. Get everything nice and cooked. Right, everybody touching the sauce so we can get them nice and cooked. And I have to test out the chicken neck, people, and see there, it's nice and cooked already. It's not overcooked, so you can go and do a thing. I'll just lower the flames again on medium heat and allow this to cook, and next 10 minutes this should be ready. And see there, people, I say it not get better than this curry chicken at its finest. Trust me. I say if you're gonna just smell this,
If you could smell it, you're ready to eat it already, and you're quite ready yet. May I tell you, so this thing nice. It nice. It look good. It smell good. And see there? I turn up the flame on high. So see there, people? We just dust a little bit of black pepper there. And it's a curry goodness, my dear. And let me give you a little trick to know when your curry, as a matter of fact, when your meat is ready, when you kind of hear it, make a kind of whistling sound when it simmer, you know say your gravy ready, right? You don't want a long water gravy, but you want enough gravy with enough sauce. So when you sit on that for your white rice, me I tell you say, it a go bad. So curry is ready. It's done. Turn off my flame. See it there, people. Jamaican curry chicken at its best. So there it is, guys. Isn't it looking lovely? It is fluffy white rice with curried chicken. Myself, I tell you, so this thing smell good. It look good, and trust me, it tastes good. Enjoy it. It is another of my mother's recipe, from my pot onto my daughter's table. Enjoy.